Apple is getting ready to launch a brand new iPhone called the iPhone 17 Air, which is being marketed as the slimmest iPhone the company has ever made. Just like every year, Apple is sticking to its regular launch cycle. The iPhone 17 Air will be officially announced on the 9th of September, 2025. Pre-orders will begin a few days later on the 12th of September, and the phone will officially hit the shelves on the 19th of September. The design is where this phone truly stands out. The entire iPhone 17 lineup is getting a fresh look, but the Air is the showstopper. At just 5.5mm thick, it's slimmer than any iPhone before it and among the thinnest smartphones ever made. To put that into perspective, most top smartphones today are between 7 and 8mm thick. On top of that, it weighs only 145 grams, as light as the much smaller iPhone mini models, making it a pocket-friendly device in every sense. The display is another highlight. It features a 6.6-inch OLED screen, slightly smaller than the iPhone 16 Plus. Apple deliberately chose a smaller screen to avoid the bending issues that plagued the iPhone 6 Plus years ago. It comes with the latest OLED technology, supports a 120Hz Pro Motion refresh rate for buttery smooth scrolling, and includes an always-on display feature. When it comes to the camera, Apple is keeping things simple. The iPhone 17 Air will have just a single 48-megapixel rear camera. There's no optical zoom, no ultra-wide lens, and no support for spatial video recording for Apple Vision Pro, since that requires at least 2 cameras. Compared to the Pro models, this will feel like a step down. Under the hood though, performance should not be an issue. The phone is expected to run on Apple's new A19 chip, possibly even the Pro variant, and will come with 12GB of RAM. This means it should perform just as well as the Pro models, handling demanding apps, games, and multitasking with ease. Apple may even include a vapor chamber cooling system to prevent overheating in such a thin body, thereby maintaining stable performance over extended periods. The biggest question mark is battery life. Because the phone is so thin, the battery is expected to be much smaller than on other models, rumored to be around 2800 mAh compared to nearly 4700 mAh in the iPhone 16 Plus. Naturally, this means the iPhone 17 Air won't last as long on a single charge. Apple is reportedly working on software optimizations and new battery technologies to make the most of the smaller capacity, and might even introduce a new MagSafe battery pack or a special case to help users extend battery life. Charging speeds could reach up to 35 watts, though Apple may stick to its usual 25 watts. The phone is rumored to include Apple's new C1 modem. On the bright side, it is expected to support Wi-Fi 7, giving users much faster and more reliable home connections if they have a compatible router. In terms of where it fits in the lineup, the iPhone 17 Air will take the place of the Plus model. It will sit in the mid-range of the series, priced at $899 for the 128GB base version. For anyone who wants the most eye-catching iPhone yet and doesn't mind charging more often or missing out on extra cameras, the iPhone 17 Air will be a perfect choice. For those who prioritize all-day battery life and advanced photography features, the Pro models will remain the better option. So that's it for today's video. See you in the next one.